It is 6 o'clock in the morning and I got up and my arm, everything hurts so bad. And then when I took that, I mean, this is what it felt like yesterday before I got that gabapentin and hydrocodone, and I can barely move my arm and it just hurts almost to the point that I want to cry. Why the hell is my bicep hurt? Oh, Jesus. And my wrist feels like it's freaking broken. But it's not, because I went and got x-rays done. To check to make sure, because it really feels like my freaking arm is broken. That's how much pain I have, and it's really bad. But anyways, I'm going to take that gabapentin, and I hope I'm saying it right, and hydrocodone, the tramadol, the diflucan, and the diflucan gel, and we're going to see how long it takes for this pain to go away, because the pain went away yesterday after I took the stuff. It was amazing. So I'll take some more today and we'll see what the pain feels like, because I can't do shit today right now. Oh my God, all the way up to under my armpit and the forearm. It's ridiculous amount of pain. And that's it. That's all I can do. My muscles are done and cramping. Well, good news is I just got this in the mail. It's my gabapentin. I also found some Delta 9 gummies, so taking some of that. Here's something interesting. If I take a gabapentin with my hydrocodone, the hydrocodone doesn't make me have hiccups. The gabapentin actually helps relieve hiccups. That's one of the things that it does. So I can take hydrocodone with gabapentin. Go figure. Unfortunately, all of the medication I'm taking for pain has side effects. That's it for today. Hands don't work. If I move my arm, if I twist it, the pain past this point, horrible. Thumbs up, and that's all I can do. And that's it for me today. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to give you a thumbs up and a high five.